Greetings with peace viewers. Chili pepper is a type of spicy pepper that is commonly used in cooking to add heat and flavor to dishes. Chili peppers come in many varieties, with varying levels of spiciness and flavors, such as jalapeno, habanero, cayenne, and Thai chili peppers. They are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, and also contain capsaicin, which gives them their characteristic heat. Before we proceed, can you do us a favor? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are the potential health benefits of chili pepper. Number 1. Pain relief. Capsaicin, the active ingredient in chili peppers, has been shown to have pain-relieving properties. Capsaicin is often used in topical creams and patches for conditions such as arthritis, nerve pain, and shingles. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Capsaicin may help to reduce inflammation in the body. The anti-inflammatory effects of chili peppers are not a cure-all and should not be relied upon as the sole treatment for chronic inflammation or other health conditions. A balanced diet, regular exercise is important for maintaining overall health and reducing inflammation. Number 3. Weight loss. Capsaicin may help to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. It has been shown to increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation, which may help to burn calories and reduce body fat. Number 4. Improved digestion. They can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and bile, which can aid in the digestion of food. Capsaicin has also been shown to have antibacterial properties, which help to reduce the risk of stomach ulcers and other digestive problems. Number 5. Reduced risk of chronic disease. Regular consumption of chili peppers may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Capsaicin has been shown to have antioxidant properties, which may help to protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of disease. Number 6. Improved cardiovascular health. Chili peppers may help to improve cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. Capsaicin has been shown to have vasodilatory effects, which means it can help to widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Number 7. Enhanced immune function. Capsaicin has been shown to have antimicrobial and antiviral properties, which help to strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of infection. Number 8. Improved cognitive function. Capsaicin may have neuroprotective effects, which help to protect the brain from damage and promote cognitive function. It has been shown to improve memory and learning in animal studies. Number 9. Pain management. In addition to its pain-relieving properties, capsaicin may also help to alleviate headaches and migraines. Topical capsaicin creams have been shown to reduce the frequency and severity of migraines in some people. Number 10. Improved sleep. Chili peppers contain a compound called tryptophan, which is an amino acid that can help to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Nutrients of chili peppers. Vitamin C, potassium, iron, fiber, capsaicin, and vitamin A. Risks of chili pepper. 1. Digestive discomfort. Chili peppers can cause digestive discomfort in some people, with conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome or gastroesophageal reflux disease. The capsaicin in chili peppers can irritate the lining of the stomach and intestines, leading to symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, and diarrhea. 2. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to chili peppers, which can cause symptoms such as hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. 3. Interactions with medication. Capsaicin can interact with certain medications, particularly those used to treat high blood pressure, and may cause side effects such as dizziness and lightheadedness. 4. Skin irritation. Capsaicin can cause skin irritation or burns if it comes into contact with the skin, particularly if the pepper is handled with bare hands. 5. Increased risk of bleeding. Can increase the risk of bleeding, especially when taken in large amounts. It may interact with blood-thinning medications and should be avoided by people with bleeding disorders. 6. Potential for addiction. Some people may become addicted to the spicy heat of chili peppers and consume large amounts of them, which can lead to digestive discomfort and other health problems. 7. Handle with care. When handling chili peppers, wear gloves or use utensils to avoid getting capsaicin on your skin or in your eyes. If you do come into contact with capsaicin, wash the affected area with soap and water. You can safely incorporate chili peppers into your diet and reap their potential health benefits. It's important to note that the risks associated with chili peppers can vary depending on the individual and their health status. If you have any concerns about consuming chili peppers or if you experience any negative side effects, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor. Enjoy the spiciness, viewers. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.